Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Hello, my name is Tori and I have a hair video today. So I've been seeing a lot of people blowing out their hair using one of these guys, and I've never used them before. This is my roommate's, and I've never really blew dry my hair before. I don't know, and I was really skeptical about it because I have curly hair and I didn't think it would work. But my roommate Rachel also has curly hair and she does it and she looks good every time. So I was like, I want to look good, so I'm doing it today. And I don't really know what I'm doing, and I don't really like using blow dryers because they always hurt me and my arms get tired really fast. But we're changing that today. We're trying it new. We're trying something new and different, and it's been working out. So I washed my hair. I think based off of what I see, I have very high expectations. So I better not disappoint today. The brand is Songtai. Songtai, love you. I don't. So I discovered how to turn it on. Okay, let's just start. Let's just start. Let's just do it. If it takes too long, and if the arm strength required is more than what it is to straighten my hair, I'm not gonna like it. I'm telling you right now, I'm not gonna like it. And I simply don't know how to blow dry hair. Like, I don't. And I just remember having my mom how to blow dry my hair, and I just look poofy. So, okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay. I have some opinions already. I am simply convinced that this is not meant for me. I'm simply convinced. Like, I don't like it already. I mean, granted, my form is probably really off. Like, my hair's still wet. And like, I'm sweating. It's hot. Like, and it's super frizzy. I mean, my hair is just frizzy. Am I doing it wrong? I don't know. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Let's go. What is that? Now is the time I think I'm giving up. Rachel! Mine looks nothing like yours.
No, you gotta do it over and over again.
Oh.
It looks frizzy in the beginning, but you have to keep on doing it until it straightens out. It will straighten out.
Rachel, calm me down a little bit. I have faith in the process now. Came out a lot better than what I thought it was gonna come out. I do like it. I'm not mad about it at all. It did flatten down a lot. Patience is necessary with this thing, but I did like it. I do like it, and it's shiny. Like, it's usually not this shiny when I straighten it. Overall, I rate the experience an 8 out of 10. Very deceiving, but my arms didn't hurt that much. Yeah, my arms didn't even hurt that bad, and it took a lot less time to use that than it usually is to straighten my hair. So that's a plus. I was sweating a lot. My lip was wet. I feel like I'm like a housewife. I feel like a housewife right now. I feel like I'm in like a 90s yearbook, senior high school yearbook. I'm like, but I like this. I will definitely do it more often. I might even fuck around and buy my own. Like, could use a little oil just because my hair is really frizzy and really dry. But if it was healthier, I know it would look amazing. So I guess that's it for the video. I tried and I successfully gave myself a blowout for the first time ever. I look good, I look good. Let me go on it, baby. Let me go on it, baby. I'm feeling myself now. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, that's it. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for coming on this experience with me. Thank you for trying this with me. Overall summary of this video, this shit is good. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. I'm a bad. Okay.